Good morning, good evening, good afternoon guys. It's currently 8:25 AM and we've just packed up and we're leaving to go to the bus station now to go down to Ljubljana. So different weather today. It's not as nice as it was, so I've just put on my little shaggedy jacket and we're leaving now. Let's go. Last quick look around the room. So this was obviously TV towers there. This was our room. Pretty basic, but it's actually really nice room. Right, let's leave. There we are, checked out. On to the next one. Let's go. It's such a nice area this. I would definitely recommend that hotel. And it's like a 2-minute tram ride into town. Beautiful. Almost at the station now. Just walking down, going to stop and get some snacks for the bus. We've just arrived at the bus station, but we need the other side of the bus station. So we've got a 10-minute delay on ours. This is what we're having for breakfast from this bar. I got a cheese and tomato bagel. I'm gonna try to pass on. Let's go. So we already have a delay of 10 minutes on this service down to Ljubljana. It's roughly a 5-hour journey and the tickets were £20 each, which is, I think it's brilliant value. Obviously you're travelling from two capitals, from Vienna down to Ljubljana, Slovenia. So let's go. So we've just had a service update. We've got a delay and we're not leaving now until 9:46. So they send you the link and you're able to track it. So we can see he's literally just around the corner and we should be on the bus momentarily. Right on time. It's just arrived. Perfect. So this is our next bus here. We've just pulled over at this beautiful service station. Look at this, for a little 20-minute break, which is so welcomed. So I'm just going to pop in. This is my first ever Slovenian service station, if you like. But we're going to go in and have a look now. Slovenia, Fastvenia, doesn't matter when you're on a Flixbus, just having the good times. We're off the bus, we've arrived in Ljubljana. For a 5-hour bus trip, that really wasn't bad at all, was it? That was really pleasant. We just walk into our hotel now, through this little park. If I decided to be a cross-dresser, this would be me. Right, we've just checked into our second hotel B&B of the trip. It's quite a nice chain this, like they're all modern, nice hotels. So let me give you a little room tour. So as Pam sorts the aircon, we've got a little desk area here, double bed. I'll actually show you the bathroom this time. Oh, decent, nice shower, toilet, shower caps. And then the best bit about it is the view of Bled Castle up there. Wow, look at that. So just looking, this is the B&B hotel chain, and all the way France, Spain, Germany, Portugal, Poland, Switzerland, Czech Republic, Italy, Belgium, Austria, Slovenia and Brazil. Nice. So check this out, our hotel has a rooftop terrace, but they have 4 bee families. I don't know if it's picking them up. 4 bee families living here. There's the bee families there, and we're just having a little explore on the roof before we go over and see the town. Oh wow, look at this. This is epic. Oh wow. So you've got little frames to take your pictures from. Let's have a look through this view. Oh, now that the sun is burning the clouds away, you can really see some of the mountains in the background. What a cool view. So I think the drone from here over to there would be pretty good because you can sit here and just watch. Lovely honour though.
Do you want to sit?
Also, Slovenia is the only country with love in its name. How nice is that? That you can come here via the Flixbus, make it Slovenia, or you can fly directly in, make it Fastvenia, whatever you want to do. Just a little reminder, no pre-Provedano, okay? I'm so impressed with this though, look, just little bee hotels. That's such a cool idea. How nice is that? Right, we're just in the lift, in Schindler's lift, and we're going down to reception and we're going to go get some food from somewhere, have a little explore. So here's Dragon Bridge. On the hill there's the funicular and the castle just up there. Wow. Look at that, if anyone's lost a gold bracelet on the 6th of September, there's your email address. Look at these weird statues. And this is Lovelock Bridge. All those locks. Look at this is so nice. All the little food and drink places. Yeah. We've just stopped at Promenada for some authentic food. I'm having a spaghetti bolognese and Pam's having a pizza, but we are this close to Italy, so it probably is quite authentic anyway. The authentic Slovenian food has been served. That looks like a great pizza. So just an update, the food was incredible. Promenada is great. Look at these things here. It says on the back, call for a free ride. I don't know if it's just for like parents or elderly people, but look, how cool is that? Look. But also, look, oh, the castle's just above those places. Look at this place. The honey house. Look at it. Stunning town. We're gonna go in here and get a dragon roll. These are the dragon rolls. I've got pistachio, Pam went for hazelnut. Look at that. It's filled with pistachio inside. I wonder what they sell. Just this and that. It's like different Michael Jacksons. Look at this. There's the castle up there. There's the Flix boat coming down. How are they free though? Look, just taking it all in.
It's a car-free city.
So maybe. They give you free lifts?
Yeah, maybe.
This place is absolutely incredible. It is so beautiful. Just look at this. We've just stopped at Cafe Romeo for a little drink because look at this setting. Look at this. There's a little waterfall over there. Look. Beautiful location. It's right on the main street. Lovely. So we went for a Lashko, a local beer, and Pam's gone for a sex on the beach. It does look like that woman has the face of a dog though, look. It's just a hair and a hat. So that's where we've just sat over there, and now we're having a little walk around where the dog face lady was. And can you just look at this place? It is absolutely stunning. Look at that, it's a beautiful fountain. We've literally walked 5 meters and we've stopped again. Look at it. Slovenia is absolutely beautiful. Look at this church. So we've just walked around the front and the doors are open. Let's go check it out. I've just tripped.
Let's go.
There's a mass on. I'll not go in. There's some pixel art, look. That's so cool. Look at this, just on this street. This is just here. Wow. Look at these faces. Look at that, you just turn any street corner and there's just cool stuff. Look at all the different love locks. Both sides. Filled with love locks. Very stranger things here. So strange. It's got a tail. Just watching Newcastle in the Champions League at this little bar here. A little double-decker bridge, Dragon Bridge, the castle lit up there. We're going to go up on the roof now. We've finished watching Newcastle playing. Go up on the roof of the hotel and see everything lit up.
I've just seen a bat.
Pam's just seen a bat. So we're just walking back to the hotel now, but look at these little streets. Look. Looks like the bees have gone to sleep. Just on the roof now, everything's lit up. Stunning. Right guys, we're just back at the hotel. I've just sat down to start editing. Tomorrow, Lake Blade, somewhere I've wanted to go for years and years and years. So catch me for that. I'll see you in the morning. Peace. Okay, we've made it to Belvedere Park. My hat just blew down the street and Pam went chasing after it right in front of the Daniel Hotel.